Colorado during spring break. It was really nice to go out there and visit with my family and some of my friends. The trip I got to babysit my niece and nephew a lot, which I absolutely love doing. I love the kids so much. They're both awesome kids. She's so funny. Josie's nanny. The first couple days we were in Colorado, the weather was pretty nice. One day we brought my niece and nephew to McDonald's and to get ice cream at Coast Town, and we even did a little walking outside of the outdoor mall, and that was really fun.
Bubs, the first one.
Yeah.
They're kind of going out.
Which is the
Which
is the restaurant that got in trouble? Nova or Bolte?
It was Chipotle. I don't know. We're sick on
Excellent.
Yeah.
First to save $300 on every window, save $825 on every patio door. That's nobody down, no payments, and no.
We went from a really sunny day to this. Hi everyone, yesterday was a really nice day here. Today we woke up to this. That's a typical Colorado spring day. Look at that. It's so white. We're in a blizzard.
Alert forecast, Mike. It's hard to believe it was in the 70s yesterday.
Adam, when I came into the studio this morning at 3:30, it was still in the 40s with a light rain falling. So it's been a crazy last 12 hours or so. Jamestown, 27 inches of snow. Cold Creek Canyon, 25. 2 feet at Genesee and Brookfield, 21 at Lafayette and Niwot, 18 Thornton, Arvada, 12 at Highlands Ranch, and also at Aurora. Most of the metro areas had around 12 inches of snow from this.
We got stuck in the blizzard for a couple days. That was pretty crazy. There were trees that were broken. Some people lost power. Abandoned cars on the road. They even shut down Denver's International Airport. No flights could go out or come in. The last time they had to shut down the Denver International Airport was back in 2006 during another Colorado blizzard, and I actually remember being in that blizzard too. Yeah, that's a mess. Another day my mom dropped me and my nephew Cody off at the movie theaters, and we saw the movie Zootopia. It was actually really good, really funny. I bought about popcorn and drinks, and that was a lot of fun to do with my nephew. I always love spending time with him. I caught my nephew had his karate and wanted to show me off some of his awesome moves. He makes me really proud. Go.
Oh, dude, that.
Good job. I was also in Colorado during the Paint the Wall Green Day. So on that day, I went and passed out the little green ribbon pins I made to everyone I saw on that day. The whole trip was pretty busy, but I'm very thankful I did get to see a couple of my friends. They are Amber Clay and Amber's adorable son Wyatt. The last time I saw Wyatt, he was in the NICU, actually in the same children's hospital I used to go to growing up. He's doing really well now, and I was so happy to visit them again. I was also in Colorado for Easter, which was really nice. I haven't been in Colorado for Easter since we moved 7 or 6 years ago. We always go back for either Thanksgiving or Christmas. The fourth day before Easter, me, Cody, and my dad had some fun painting Easter eggs, and I already posted a video of that, so make sure to check it out. On Easter Day, all the family went to church. My nephew got to enjoy an egg cut there. Easter was also my little cousin's Caitlin's birthday, and she got baptized on Easter. I'm very proud of her. After church, we went to my aunt's house for lunch, dinner, and I thought, why not take my GoPro around and have everyone say Happy Easter. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Oh, rabbit.
Come with me. Get people say Happy Easter.
Yeah.
Robbie, do you want a doggy bag to take home? Okay.
Mom, Happy Easter.
Oh, happy Easter. Happy Easter.
Come.
Happy Easter and happy birthday to me.
Hey, Lil.
Happy Easter.
Kate, come on, Kenny.
Happy Easter!
Yeah, and that's kind of what we're in. We're in the going and doing stuff.
Yay! I get to sit right here.
Happy Easter.
Alright, will do. Alright, bye, I do love you. Bye.
You gave her funny ears.
Happy Easter, everybody! Woo!
Come on, Kenny.
Come everyone, no help! Dun, 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 dun.
Selfie going?
Yep.
That's the highest resale. Oh, the selfie camera.
Happy Easter!
You might find that comforting. Look.
How's that?
It's a Subaru.
Happy Easter, everyone! Happy Easter! Happy Easter, everyone.
Yay! The last day I got to see my little niece, I gave her the birthday present I made her, which was a cute little corn and a teddy bear. We were not convenient to see her celebrate her birthday, so we let her open our gifts from us only.
Oh, what's in up here? Let me see your bear. She said it was windy, but it was warm.
Another? Happy birthday, Josie. I love you so much. Love and Cerise. So that is how my spring break went. Didn't do anything fun during spring break? Leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.